Oh, welcome back to another video. Occasionally we get some strange requests, so I have an interesting one now. Not a difficult repair, I hope, but an interesting one. Bear me a second. Have you ever seen one of these? That is a striker for a church bell. So it's when they're just chiming the bells, there's a rope on there, or in this case there's a hook on the rope, pivot there, and this gets pulled downstairs and it hits the bell just to give it a chime. So it's not ringing the bells, it's chiming the bells or striking the bells. So often used on larger bells during funerals, just to give a tone. But there you go. Anyway, so the repair I need to do is, these are wearing through quite thin, so I'm just going to clean that out, fill it with weld, and then re-drill a hole, and they're good for another 200 years. But look at that, isn't it fantastic? The wear, the pattern. I love old stuff. Well, I've plug welded it all up, and apparently there's an app that's called Grinder, and if you're good on Grinder, you makes your welding better or hides your welding skills. So I'm not sure when looking at the app it's the right app for me to download, but we'll see how good a grinder I am. Well, it ain't pretty. I'm just going to drill a hole through that, so there's no point in grinding that out. But that'll do. So, little repair, 10mm hole, and something odd to repair, really. So I'm actually going to age it a little bit now. I'm going to black it and put a bit of beeswax on it. I just like to make it look old. So, using a bit of blue in guns, make it look old, and you haven't got to, it's just me being me. So the holes get a bit big over a couple of 100 years of wear, so that's another one we're going to plug, grind and drill. There, I've blued it, beeswaxed it, blow lamp beeswax, and there you go. So it still looks old. There you go. There, an odd thing repaired.